Choosing between a nuke and a regular colony is a critical decision for hive success. In spring, beekeepers must replace all old black combs to keep colonies healthy and productive.
For fast results and early honey, nukes are the best choice.
Every year, beekeepers should replace queens to keep colonies strong.
Strong planning creates healthy colonies and long-term beekeeping success.
Healthy comb replacement is the foundation of successful and sustainable beekeeping.
A regular colony starts from scratch with loose bees and a mated queen.
For budget control and learning, regular colonies are a smart long-term option.
Select queens from colonies with strong immunity and high honey production.
Regular colonies take more time to build comb, brood, and strength.
Good colonies produce honey in both spring and autumn seasons.
Strong brood patterns and calm behavior define quality colonies.
Combs older than 2 years reduce productivity and increase disease risks in the hive. A nuke is a ready-made colony with queen, brood, workers, and stored resources.
Nucs grow faster, build population quickly, and produce honey earlier.